This is the moment it all comes together. Sugar turning golden, rich, perfectly smooth custard underneath. It looks like a restaurant dessert, but it's easier than you think. We'll start with the vanilla pod, split it down the middle, then scrape out those beautiful vanilla seeds. Add both the seeds and the pod to a saucepan, along with a small strip of orange peel, about 5 centimeters, just enough to give a subtle background flavour. Now pour in the cream. Double cream here is ideal. It gives you a custard that's rich, dense and luxuriously smooth. Place the saucepan over a medium heat and stir occasionally. You're looking for a gentle simmer, not a boil. Once it reaches a simmer, remove it from the heat and let it steep for 10 minutes. This gives the orange and vanilla time to gently infuse. While that's resting, preheat your oven to 120 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit on the bake setting. Now add your sugar and egg yolks and mix until smooth and well combined. Then strain the warm custard into a jug through a sieve, removing the vanilla pod and orange peel. Pour the custard into 6-ounce ramekins and place them in a deep oven-proof dish. Carefully add warm water until it comes about 3/4 of the way up the sides. Make sure the water doesn't reach the level of the custard, as it can ruin the texture of the crème brûlée. Bake on the middle shelf of the oven for about 45 minutes. When they're out of the oven, the centre should still have a gentle wobble. That's exactly what you're looking for. Carefully remove the ramekins from the water bath and allow them to cool to room temperature. Once cool, cover them and refrigerate them for at least 4 hours so they can fully set. When you're ready, sprinkle an even layer of sugar over the top. And caramelize it with a kitchen torch until it's crisp and has a golden finish. Break through the top and you get that perfect contrast, crackling caramel and silky custard underneath. All that's left to do is devour it. So, I'm going to do exactly that. Until next time, enjoy the kitchen.